Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today guys, we're making some homemade chips. So guys, we peel the potatoes. The best potatoes to get is the red skin one. Yeah, peel them, cut them in slices, make chips, and then put them in the pot with enough oil. Make sure your oil is hot guys, and then we cook them. Make sure your oil is hot. And guys, we've got some chicken as well. So we know I'll move it. Bring it over. So we've got some chicken, some French fried chicken. We're going to do, and some chips. So that's what we'll make with the dinner today. With a little bit of soup, guys. It's a big pot. It's a Friday pot. So I'm making my chicken and my pumpkin and my carrots cooked, guys.
We send chips look nice though, huh?
Guys, for the chicken, you know you clean your chicken, season it up. And I don't use egg, guys. I don't use egg. I just use flour. I don't use eggs for my French fried chicken because I don't like the taste of egg. Egg is fine. All the fries are guys. KFC, McDonald's, the chicken shop that I do nothing pound them.
£9 franc wings. Wings, chips, I mean. Also wings. And thighs and breast.
And the chicken frying in the dust pot. The dust is good old Jamaican dust pot. Good for frying chicken.
What? This is that pot.
So guys, this is the outcome. This is what the chicken and the chips is looking like. And we added a bit of salad on the side. Guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe and leave a comment down below. Thank you.